Hello everyone, welcome to the Computer Experts. In this video, we will see how to use the list box control in ASP.NET website of Microsoft Visual Studio. For this, first of all, you have to do one thing is that you should have Microsoft Visual Studio installed in your system. If it is not installed in your system, then you first install in your system, and for this you can refer to my previous videos in the playlist of Microsoft Visual Studio. So after installing the Microsoft Visual Studio, you can try this video. Okay, right. So let's start the video. And for this, you have to just type Microsoft Visual Studio. In my system, 2010 is already installed. So we'll open the Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. And we will be adding one website by clicking on File, then click on Website, and then under Visual C Sharp we will select the website application. After this we will add one web form to the already created website by right clicking on the website and then click on add new item, and then we will add web form and then click on OK. Right, after that go to the design view of the web form and drag and drop one control, which is list box. In this, what you will do is you will click on the little arrow of the list box and then click on the edit items, and by pressing the add button you are able to add the list item into the list box. And by selecting each of the list item, you have to add the value to every list item. Select every list item of the list box and add the name which you wanted in the list box control. Okay, right, try with this. You have to individually click on every list item. For example, I'm writing here America in the value. Okay, and then again I will click on the list item and I will add. One thing you have to notice that you have to write in the value column of the list item the text which you want to appear in the list item software list box. Okay, and now adjust the height and width of the list box in your web form, and then build the website, then build the website, click on OK and run the website. Then the local host will appear here and you're able to see the list item which you have added in the list box, which is Delhi, Bombay, Amsterdam, Berlin, America, etc, etc. If you're not satisfied with the visual here, then you can go edit the width and size according to the presentation of your website, and then again rebuild the project and then again run and try it until you get the satisfactory result of list item being added in the website. Alright, so if you will just scroll on the little arrow, downward arrow, then you are able to scroll through the list items which you have added in the ASP.NET website. Right, so that's all for today. In this way you can add the list box control in. I hope you have enjoyed the video of how to add the list box control in the ASP.NET website. And if you do like this, then don't forget to hit the share and like button and stay connected to the further videos of the channel.